So we're going to explain Audacity. Audacity is an audio editing program. If you have multiple audio files that you want to put together, merge, for example, or if you want to cut out your errors, maybe you made a mistake, then we can do that here. We're going to open up the Audacity program. Once you have it downloaded, you will need my login in order to install the program. So we're going to go to File, Import, Audio. We're going to find our audio recording. Again, you used the Vakaru website to record your audio and to download it. That is the Vakaru website is linked from the guidelines for the final exam. You have your audio file; it's here. So if we play it, and it's going to begin recording. So we talked. And okay, so again, you can listen to this and you find your error. Simply find your error. Maybe you messed up on a part. Remember, you can pause and keep talking. If you pause real for a long time, you can delete those. To edit the audio, we're simply going to select the part that we want to delete. Okay, and we hit backspace or delete on the keyboard, and it goes away. Okay, so it is now gone. And keep talking. Okay, now that's how you delete errors. If you want to combine two audio files, I'm going to do another import audio. I'm going to pull in the same recording. It's going to go to a new track. Now, if I want to combine these onto one track, let's do that. So to get the bottom audio to the top, I'm simply going to double click on the bottom audio and I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to cut it from the bottom track and move to the top track, and I'm going to right click and paste. Okay, so now I can delete or close the bottom track, and I now have audio on the same track. So again, if you maybe need to do some more recording or you need to add some more audio to your original recording, you can do that with Audacity. And here I can slide it, I can move it. If I need to, I can scroll over and I can do what I need to do here. Now, once we get our audio just like we want it, one other thing too is the gain. Gain is almost like the volume. You can increase the gain of the audio. And it's going to begin recording. It's a little, and it's louder. Okay, too much gain makes your audio sound distorted. So be careful with that. But maybe you want a little gain to make your voice a little louder. Now, once we get everything like we want it, we're going to go to File, Export as MP3. We're going to call it Final Exam Audacity. Audacity recording, recording, and save. We can accept the defaults here. Okay. And we now have our audio file right here. Okay. So this is it. And this is what you can put into the Adobe Spark website. This is how you edit your audio recording with Audacity, and how you also merge two audio files together.